Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketch cartoons. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a few pencils, perhaps a 2B and a 4B for varying line weights, some good quality paper, and a reliable eraser. Finding a comfortable, well-lit space is key to your creative flow. Begin by practicing simple shapes like circles, squares, and triangles, and then move on to straight and curved lines. This foundational practice is crucial for developing your hand control and confidence. Now, let's dive into character design. Begin by using basic geometric forms such as circles for heads and ovals for bodies to build your characters. Don't be afraid to exaggerate features like large eyes or tiny noses. This helps convey personality and emotion. Think about how your character moves and expresses themselves. Developing unique facial expressions and distinct body language will bring your creations to life, making them memorable and engaging for your audience. Once your sketch is complete, it's time to refine your lines with inking. You can use fine-tip pens like a 0.5mm or a 0.8mm, or digital brushes if you're working digitally. Varying your line thickness is a powerful technique. Thicker lines can emphasize foreground elements, while thinner lines work well for details. After inking, ensure your ink is completely dry before gently erasing all the underlying pencil lines to reveal your clean cartoon. Finally, let's add some color to bring your cartoons to life. Start by selecting a limited color palette, perhaps 3 to 5 main colors, to ensure visual consistency. Apply flat colors first, then introduce shadows and highlights to give your characters and objects a three-dimensional feel. Think about the light source to place these effectively. Don't forget about background elements. Even simple shapes and colors can enhance the narrative and complete your cartoon scene beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.